This video will show you how to find books in Sora based on your AR reading level. So from Schoology, you can get to Sora by going to the App Center and clicking on Sora by Overdrive. So you might be prompted to log in through LAUSD. Use the link to the slide deck that shows you how to find the LAUSD collection if you're not already connected there. Once you're signed in, you will be on this page and you can browse through and you can see these are the books that are offered by LAUSD. Also on the slide deck, it will show you how to add in a public library. So if you click up here, it will say add library, and you can add in your public library. Everybody should have a student success card with LA Public Library, and you might have your own LA County Library card, and you could add both those collections. So to find books within an AR range, the most efficient way, much like we did in our Destiny catalog, if we just want to look for everything within a certain AR range, I would click on Search Book and go to More Options. Under More Options, I'm going to scroll down to the ATOS level, and here it says All. I'm going to click on that. And it kind of limits, you have to choose within a whole number range. So if your level is like 3.0 to 4.6, you can, try searching for, either the lower end of your range or the upper end of your range. I would encourage you maybe try the upper end of your range. Particularly if it's in the middle. Try round a little bit up. If that's too hard, you can go back and round down. And just partly because I think the books will be a little bit more at your interest level. So once I click on that, I'm going to click search. And here I can see I get a total of 3,000 books. Now, mine is searching both LA Unified Library, and if I scroll down, you'll see the LA County Library because I have that added in, and the LA Public Library. So once I do that, I can see any of these books, and I could see the various titles. There's, of course, see more here. So if I just want to look at LAUSD, the nice thing about the LAUSD books is they should always all be available. They should have a multi-reader license, so there's no, having to put a book on hold and waiting for it. Once you find a book that looks interesting to you, so this looks like kind of a fun read if you're a fiction reader like me, I can click on the title, and here it will tell me more about the book, a little description. I can look at a sample if I want before I borrow it. It tells me a little bit about the categories it's in and a little bit more. So this is a series. If you like a series, this might be a good thing to start reading. And then you can go through the whole series and hopefully get some of your points and start improving your reading level. So you can move up to other books with ease and fluency. The whole idea is to build that ease and fluency, and I can see what the other titles are here, and so on. At the bottom, it gives me more titles like this that you might want to read. So again, remember the idea is to read books within that zone of proximal development to build that fluency, to help you with, with your fluency, not just in independent reading, but in all your subjects. If you have more questions about adding the library, again, see the slide deck and other tutorials on the library website, or come and ask me for help.